Welcome to our brand new showroom in Deansgrange, a place full of inspiration, interior design tips, and everything you need to bring your project to life. As you walk in, you'll find our huge tray counter, where our expert team is ready to assist you. We work with some of the biggest and most trusted brands in the industry, offering high quality materials and expert advice for every kind of project. Right after the tray counter, you'll discover our extensive tile ranges. From modern and minimal to bold and textured, we have styles for every room, kitchen, bathroom, hall or living space. To help you visualise how these products look in real life, we've designed 26 inspiration bays across the showroom. These fully styled spaces give you practical ideas and help bring your vision to life. You'll also find a wide variety of flooring ranges, including wood effect, laminate and luxury vinyl, stylish, durable and perfect for any interior. For your walls, check out our collection of indoor wall panelling, ideal for adding depth and character to bedrooms, hallways and living areas. And for outdoor products, we've got you covered with outdoor tiles, artificial grass and a full range of accessories. Everything you need to design beautiful, low-maintenance outdoor spaces. Need help choosing? Our in-store specialists are here to guide you at every step, whether you're renovating, building, or just starting to gather ideas. And don't forget, you can order free samples online or come into the store and grab as many as you like. It's the best way to feel the texture and quality before you decide. Visit us at Deansgrange Business Park, Kill Lane, Blackrock, Dublin, Eircode A94 R3PH, or explore our full range online at tilemerchant.ie. The inspiration starts here at Tile Merchant Deansgrange.